Battle of the Champion. Ikin PATOLOVER boy genki EDDY.
I don't know how to pretend. Don't think page, I look at you like it bang, bang, bang.
Kati kama leg. Kati kama leg.
Yubma ditman pitian machiel ikumalume Uganda. Bibedi Acholi in. Inindwa ber medwe mabungwen. Magali bario kipira rio wiangwen. Lok du loke. Wadonyi diba weklwako ye. Angamo terai ikin jario man. Be King who owns the crown. Battle for the champions in northern Uganda. Donyo techiling ali piera rio keken. VIP ali piera beach. Mecha ali mia beach kimiliona chel. Angamo tera weko malume Uganda ikin EDDY WIZZY. Genki PATOLOVER boy. Binweri mokchaden. PNP man ina yebi ngolo warwate ya Acholi in lukali yubmana yeka chel events tukdel coffee Churchill Court Hotel ke delight multimedia
mwagali bario ke piera rio wiangwen wadonke kara mama nok wekwa nene yubman chela nyim of course ka wachi yubmene watiki yubachele ken fori mo bebedo ikumalume Uganda yubmadon belario ikumalume Uganda yubme parliament magi kelo ikumalume Uganda mubelte back underground yonge yub enuni yubmene no madok did loyo the battle Mabwe Bellow of course Acholi in atia Bellow in the street of course in Main Street kama wabiberu kapenye tampa luak tampa dana mapapat malubeki who owns the crown Mabwe Bellow in Bellow Acholi in kama don teaching ali Pierre ken kwankara ni were neni I o inen yub enuni kitano Bellow kede VIP teaching ali Pierre beach yena ka don konkan amot dano konkia chela che itinini
for yeah
itima be yes itinini Itima be uramo ya loke du manore okay anya silver inyinga
so mega nyane godi
nyi godi yes godi now wati you matika waranye mu bibere ni ndwa bero bato matie ikin PATOLOVER boy genki EDDY WIZZY kitneno kede kora eni yub manti bibere ya Acholi in amiti wacha la wema megi ikin John mi tamuni ka John chiru ya bam ramo lur la wore kin PATOLOVER boy genki EDDY WIZZY
so ngata to ya do ene pato e to ya go gino
Pingwa iwaju kamano.
And taking it.
Taking it? Itiki wepa patomo minge ya chela ria degmo?
Tie dual.
Tie dual why? Yes, itinini.
Tie mabe.
Oh, how are you, brother?
I'm good, brother.
You're good?
Yo.
Yes, my name is Silver. I'm from Delight Multimedia, and we are having a campaign of these two artists. That's PATOLOVER boy and EDDY WIZZY. These guys are going to have a battle on the 7th at Acholi in. Do you know this artist?
I know one.
You know one?
Yeah.
Whom do you know among these guys?
EDDY WIZZY.
EDDY WIZZY?
Yeah.
Do you know some of his songs?
I know some of his songs, but I don't know the titles because I'm not really...
Are you a student or you are?
I'm a student in Gulu here.
In Gulu here, eh? Which school?
Soko. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Hope you'll be there on the 7th.
Yeah.
Hope to see you. All right, thank you very much. Yes, Umera Tinini.
Timabe.
Bedo Pole.
All I don't know.
You also don't know the language, eh? What's your name?
I'm called Silas.
Cyrus. Cyrus, how long have you been in Gulu?
Like 1 year now.
Like 1 year. But I know you enjoy Luo music, isn't it?
Yeah, I enjoy.
Do you know these two artists here?
I know EDDY WIZZY.
You know EDDY WIZZY?
Yeah.
Which song of EDDY WIZZY? Maybe.
I cannot.
I cannot tell now.
But I know him.
You know him, eh? Physically?
Yeah, I know him physically.
Okay. Waiting to see in Acholi in. These guys are having a battle on the 7th. It's a battle between PATOLOVER boy and EDDY WIZZY, which will be at Acholi in. You're going to be there. You can tell all other students to, to come and we party. After the parliament, the next event is this one only. All right, see. Yes, watika warajim yeka nong kanya nong omera pama itinini.
Ati mambe afoyo.
Afoyo mate. Kangilwoningo.
Kangilwoni Pretoria mobile phone store.
Mobile phone store. Yes, ngomati me kanto twal.
Kanto twale pole wacharo mobile phones and accessories.
Okay.
Kit mo eken watikere ki accessories kireti na nekere ni watikere kanya ni. Chargers ngo USBs. Gino mo eken malupe ki chim ki accessories watikere kanya.
Okay. Utiki USA?
Watiki USB.
Yes, very fair. All right. Now, watiki you matika waranyimi PATOLOVER boy genki EDDY WIZZY. Mabato eno bibero inendwe abero. Wade kara mama nok. Itamuni John kagubini wiyabam nga maramu chwalo la wore speed.
Me ache loten awobene wenge queen mada. Awobene wenge dia awobe matego.
Okay.
Neno peda ngayo kira bubero kere.
Okay.
And mengo halo ne.
Ngolete. Indi bin kunu aye.
Ando abi bien ko warwate kono.
Warwate kunu.
Yen be bien mede na ne. Ben wan wen wabeto kono. Watiel ko wo bene. Wa ko nen kira tunko mala dawo kere. Afoy mate.
Afoy mate pama. All right. Yes, wabichero wa mede anyim akinenu. Oh, we kamot kong palmer camera tunku ja kamot. La diro mori eno. Yes. Wabi woro in the street kanyi main street in mepenyo otampa luak mapapa malube ke yob man who owns the crown. Pama iti nini?
Ati mabe.
Afoy mate.
Afoy mate.
Ngoma be kanyi.
Wada yele ke biashara.
Okay. Yes, watiki yumatika waranyima of course wadonke chabira chel no one when wati Acholi in. Gwati yumadiri kumalume Uganda bere yubari yokene mwagani. Binu pa parliament kidong battle for the champion ikin PATOLOVER boy kinki EDDY WIZZY. Kitungbore tame kajan kuchiru ya bam anga maramulu la wore.
Unweng be girom rom.
Okay.
Kaya not ya chen madiet.
Mane madong well kineno.
Paro diet.
Tiongwell.
Well.
Wachi nyinga?
Nia Brian Okorach.
Alright, afoy mateg. Yasiti ni pama.
Ati mambe bro.
Afoy mateg.
Afoy man.
Nya Silva nyi?
Nya Kotsal Samos.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now watiki yumatika waranyim kiti winya wajuni aitamuni ikin PATOLOVER boy ginki EDDY WIZZY kagu chiru ya bam ngamaromo lono yub eni mubi beri Acholi ini chingchabi tabinuni.
Yeah, an be kati ni EDDY WIZZY bilon PATOLOVER boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pingi waju kamanu.
Pian kita nano EDDY WIZZY tika performance kere. Be kage be ni obuloy PATOLOVER boy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, afoy mateka picha wanikitami. Who owns the crown? Magali bario kipiera rio we angwen. Mabi beri Acholi in. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, my name is Silva. I'm from Delight Multimedia. We are having a campaign of these two artists. Do you know any?
Yes, this one I think this is EDDY WIZZY.
Yes.
And this is PATOLOVER.
Oh my God, I'm with the right person. Now, we are having a battle between the two. Who do you think deserves the crown?
This one, of course.
This one.
EDDY WIZZY.
Okay, here. Yes, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine. My name is Silva. I'm from Delight Multimedia, and we are having a campaign of these two artists, EDDY WIZZY and PATOLOVER boy. Who do you know among these two?
I know EDDY WIZZY.
You know EDDY WIZZY?
I love his songs.
Oh my God. One of his songs? Which one? See you on Saturday at Acholi. Let me come. How do we call the salon? Bernard Beauty Salon. Paul and Bernard. Yes. Watika waranyim ati the street of course Megulu wa Paul and Bernard Beauty Salon kamaka ineno jami tika waranyim gitika yubiye wich jami wengtia komabe ye kong wadon kong amot dano kong achel ario che wachiranyim. Yes, let me get in here blah 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 blah. Yes, thank you. How are you, brother?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
My name is Silva. I'm from Delight Multimedia. How is this place?
The place is fine, everything's fine. Yeah.
That is good. So we are having a campaign of these two artists, that is PATOLOVER boy and EDDY WIZZY. Do you know one of them?
Yeah, I know all of them, I know.
You know all of them, eh?
Yeah.
Who is your favorite?
I like PATOLOVER boy.
You like Pato?
Yeah, man.
Lover boy.
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much. So the event is going to be on Saturday at Acholi in.
Yeah, man.
Hope to see you there.
I'll come there.
You're going to be, actually you guys need to book a table. Atika wachini bato tika waranyim ikin PATOLOVER boy ikin ki EDDY WIZZY. Kacha fot pia will ticket mamegi. Rone will ticket mamegi. Bien karadu dong manok. Mana eti yub madit dong loyo. Awachini inge parliament. Yub madong tie eni yub owns the crowd. Will ticketi kanywa tia of course kiti nano kede the street tia koma mwanya tika longa jami tika waranyim kore watika penyu tampa luak. Man DJ Silva, Delight Multimedia, Konkamanu.
Who owns the crown? Angamotera.